In this video, I'll walk you through how flight booking works on Trip.com. To get started, open the Trip.com app or visit the Trip.com website using your browser. The platform will automatically redirect you to your local region. From the home screen, tap on the Flights option to begin. Next, select your departure city and destination city. You can either type them in manually or choose from the suggested locations. After that, choose your travel dates, including a return date if you're booking a round trip, and tap Done to continue. Now, customize your flight preferences by selecting your travel class, such as Economy or Premium Economy, and apply filters like Direct Flights if you prefer. Once everything is set, tap on Search. Trip.com will then show a list of available flights based on your selections. Review the options carefully and choose the flight that best fits your schedule. After selecting your flight, tap Continue, where you'll see different pricing plans. Pick the plan that suits your needs and move on to entering passenger details, including full name, nationality, and date of birth. Save the information, enter your ID details, and proceed to the next step. Once all the required details are completed, your flight booking will be successfully confirmed. That's basically how booking a flight on Trip.com works. I hope this video helped you understand the process more clearly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.